Hello, and welcome to another episode of In the Kitchen with Dave. I'm Dave Wallace. I'm the owner of Bittersweet Herb Farm. We are a small, family-owned business, gourmet food, specialty foods business, located in the northwestern corner of the Berkshires of Massachusetts. We've been in business for about 40 years now, and excuse me, over the years we've won lots of awards for our products. They're all natural. They're gluten-free, and they are vegan-friendly. So, one thing I would love to have you do is just hit that share button right now. We're a small family business, and it really helps us to get the word out if you would share it with your friends. So, let's see. Oh, join our email list. That's a weekly thing. If you join our email list, you will find out in advance of upcoming specials that we are going to run, which we run practically every week now. And you can find out in advance what that special will be, so you can plan to order them. And actually, I think we are planning on having some kind of free shipping starting tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
For Easter weekend.
Starting tomorrow. So check it out. We will be sending out the email to announce exactly how that free shipping is going to work, or it'll be on the website. So the other thing is, let's see, we're going to be announcing the winner for March next week, correct?
Yes.
And that lucky winner will be getting this collection right here, which is our maple balsamic vinegar, our lemon pepper oil, our lemon garlic finishing sauce, our garden harvest seasoning, and our smoked onion seasoning. And that also is on the website right now. It's $48 value, which is a really great price. And this collection is what we're going to be cooking with for the entire month of April. So you can get it now, and then you can cook right along with us through the month of April. All right, let's get started here. I've got a couple of really simple things that I'm making here today. I'm going to do a tamari roasted almonds. And this is a balsamic vinegar, or will be, it's not yet, will be a balsamic vinegar marinated roasted chickpea. So let's see here. We'll start with the almonds. Now I've already made up the tamari sauce that we use. And this has got a tablespoon of butter. I use a vegan butter, but you can use any butter. A tablespoon of our garlic and rosemary oil, and then 2 tablespoons of tamari. So I'm just going to pour this right. I heated this up in advance, to melt the butter. So I'm just going to pour it in there and mix those around, get them well coated. And then I already made one batch this morning. Is this the pan? No, that's the chickpea pan. Where's the pan I used? Here we go. So I'm just going to spread them out on this pan. Now, I use parchment paper. I just turned it over. I'm using the other side. Trying to be a little economical here. But you want to try to spread these out into a single layer. And is what I'm going to do. Then I put them in the oven at 325 for a total of about 20 minutes. I do like to take them out, say around 15 minutes, and move them around a little bit, make sure that they're not burning. But usually 20 minutes at 325 does it. I'm going to set those in the oven. And that's that.
That's that.
Pretty simple. And they are fabulous.
And the finished product is?
Oh, should we show that right now?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah. So this is what it looks like. Whoa! This is what, I guess I have to eat that one. Huh? Oh, they were so good.
Nice and crunchy.
Yeah. So you want to, excuse me. You want to let them cool down, because then they really get crunchy. All right. So those make a great snack. Easy to make.
Be good in a salad.
Yeah, good in a salad. And then we're going to move on to the chickpeas, which are equally as easy to make. This is our balsamic vinegar with raspberry and fig. There's about 3 tablespoons in here. I'm just going to pour it in. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. You don't have to if you're on a low salt diet. You can stay away from the salt. But again, you just want to get them nice and coated.
And you drained and rinsed those first.
Oh, yeah. Good point. I drained them, I rinsed them, let them drain out as much as possible, and then I actually patted them dry on with a towel I had. And that way they're going to absorb more of the balsamic vinegar. So I'll get these pretty well mixed around. And I guess I can use the same pan that I used before for these. So these go in at a much higher heat, 425, about 15 minutes, and then you want to move them around a little bit, and then maybe another 10 minutes, but you want to keep checking them because they can burn pretty quickly. So sometimes, you know, depending on how hot your oven is or whatever, they may only need another 5 minutes and not even need the full 10 minutes. So you got to keep checking them. And again, you want to try to spread these out into a single layer as best you can. And I'm actually going to wait. Oh, that smells good, that balsamic vinegar. I'm going to wait to put these in until the almonds are done. But you get the idea. And that's it. All right?
Yeah.
That's all we got to say right now.
Then you can show them the chickpeas.
Let me show you the chickpeas. So you can see they're a little darker, and I started these a little late this morning, so I think they're going to get crunchier if they really cool down. I tried 1 or 2. They've got a lot of good taste. They just don't seem like they're quite cooked yet, but I think that will change in another few minutes. All right, is that it?
That is it.
Well, thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Have a good day. Eat well to be well with Bittersweet Herb Farm.